Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit text templates on CapCut PC. Go to text and go to text template. Apparently, since I've generated everything, okay, let's just go to the effects here because it's the same. So, for instance, I want to edit the colors of the text effect or text template. It's the same, don't worry. I'm just going to select, for instance, this. So here's where I can change the default text to something else. Don't know what to type. Then you're just going to go to font, and you can also change the font of the text template or the text effect here, as you can see. To change the color, you are going to go here and you can change the colors. Sometimes you can change the color, sometimes you can't really change it. Like, it will change it, but it will look a little bit weird. Like, for instance, here you can't change the stroke because they already have that on the effect. And if you were to change something like this one, for instance, it's going to be a little bit harder because, as you can see, they already have the color. So if you change the color, for instance, it probably will only change the color on the outside of the text and not on the inside. So yeah, keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!